Okay, I'm gonna install this SureStart kit on my air conditioner, and I got an amp meter hooked up because I want to see what it's at. Right now it's got a hard start kit in it. It's really cold out today. It's about 55, so this thing's probably gonna really go crazy here. Let's see if we can do this. 7. Okay, it's jumped up to about 37 amps and then dropped down, so that's not bad at all. I'm gonna let it sit for 1 second here and start it one more time. Let's see what this thing says. This is an older unit. Let's see if I can decipher it. Looks like 1996, possibly. This is just a 2.5 ton, which is 30,000 BTUs. And it looks like amp draw is 14.1. So plus the fan. But it looks like it's running a little lower than that. It's got a max fuse of 30. So it hits that 37, which is okay because these are slow fuses. I've got the fuses here, and also I have a breaker inside that's fused. I think my breaker inside's actually lower. I'm gonna try and hit this one more time. Install this kit and then we'll recheck it. Okay, I just thought about this. I'm going to try this one more time after I disconnected the hard start kit. So let's see what this thing does now. So I don't know if this hard start kit was doing anything. It definitely didn't lower the amp draw because it still went up to 37 and went down to 9.6. So I'm gonna pull the fuse again and I'll hook up this kit. Okay, I got the SureStart mounted here. It fits in there. I'll see if the cover goes on okay, but it looks like it will. I believe I have it all hooked up right. So we'll see in a second here. Put this back in. All right, so before it was 37 amps, going down to 9, so I'm gonna look away for a second because I don't know how this is gonna start. I'm sure that thing did. The amps dropped a little bit, but I think we got to start it a few times. The LED was flashing on there. I don't know what it says because it's in another language. Warning, allow 2 minutes to discharge capacitor before disconnecting. Oh, okay. Let's try this one more time. Looked like that said 26. A little hard to read. Turn the light there. And it's starting to rain right now. So I'm gonna try this one more time. I don't know. It definitely did not go up to 37. So we'll see if this works. But very easy to put in. The instructions are really good. Like I said, it just started raining here. These instructions were great, very simple, and the wiring kit was really nice. It did have to cut off an end, and I just had to tape this unused end, and we'll put it back together and see how it does. So I did hook everything back up and covers all back on. They fit fine. The unit sounds the exact same. It doesn't sound any different. But what I did notice is the lights in our house did not dim for a second when it usually comes on. So we'll see how it does with the generator. Thanks for watching.